how to enable or disable TruVolume on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. Here in sounds, go to sound mode settings. In sound mode settings, here you can see the TruVolume. And the TruVolume is disable or turn off. And if you want to enable or turn on this, just switch on the switch button on the right side of this TruVolume. That's it. We have successfully enabled or turn on. If this turn on or enable, automatic control over large volume changes while watching TV, programmers, or film, providing a more comfortable and consistent volume. And if you want to disable or turn off again, just turn off the switch button on the right side or uncheck. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled TruVolume on Devant Smart TV.